Hello everyone and welcome to Kiru's online lectures. I am Kira Jhamtani and today's topic is cylinder, cone and sphere. See, in this chapter we have to study the questions that are related to cylinder, cone, sphere and then we have to study conversion and combination of solids. Now in this part, that means in part 1, we are going to study all the questions related to cylinder, its surface area and volume. So the formulas which comes under this cylinder is, see, we have two types of cylinder. The one is solid cylinder. So in solid cylinder, it is like this, where r is radius of the cylinder and this h is the height of cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi rh. Total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r plus h, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h. This is about solid cylinder. But when we talk about hollow cylinder, it is where we have two radii. The one is internal and the other one is external radii. So like over here we have, this is internal radii and this one is external radii. So external radii is denoted by capital R. This is known as the width of the, or we can say thickness of cylinder. So this thickness is equals to capital R minus small r. This capital R minus small r is thickness of cylinder. Now coming on to the formulas. So curved surface area, we have two curved surface areas over here. The one is external and the other one is internal curved surface area. So external is 2 pi capital R into h and internal is 2 pi small r into h. Capital R is external radii, small r is internal radii. Then we have total surface area. So total surface area is external curved surface area plus internal plus area of cross section. So it will be 2 pi RH plus 2 pi RH plus 2 pi into r square minus r square. Then volume, external volume minus internal volume. So external volume is pi capital R square h and internal is pi small r square h. So we will directly write it over here, pi into r square minus r square into h. So these are certain formulas. With the help of these formulas only, now we will solve certain questions. So the first question is, area of curved surface of cylinder is 4400 square centimeter and circumference of its base is 110. We have to calculate its height and also we have to calculate volume. So we are provided with curved surface area of cylinder, that is 4400, and then we are provided with circumference, that is 110. We have to find height and we have to also calculate volume. So now curved surface area is 2 pi RH, which is 4400. Circumference, we know it is 2 pi r. So when we will solve this circumference, we will get r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equals to 110. Thus r is equals to 110 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So 11 into 2 is 22. 11 into 1, 11, 0. 2 into 5. Thus r is what? 35 by 2. Putting r is equals to 35 by 2 over here. So 2 into 22 by 7 into r, जो हमने निकाला 35 by 2, h we have to calculate over here. So h is equals to 4400 into 7 into 2 by 2 into 22 into 35. So 7 into 1 7, 7 into 5 35, 22 into 1 22, 22 into 2 44, 200, 2 into 100, thus 5 into 2 20, thus H is equals to what? 40. So this is what we have got H. Now coming on to H is what? 40 we have already got. So now coming on to the volume part, volume is equals to pi r square H. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 35 by 2 square into H is 40. So this is equals to 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2 into 40. So on multiplication, the answer comes to be 38,500 centimeter cube. Volume is always measured in cube, so its answer is centimeter cube. Its unit will be centimeter cube. Now next question is, volume of solid cylinder is 96,228 cubic centimeter. Ratio of its radius to its height is 9:14. What we have to calculate is total surface area of cylinder. We are provided with volume, that is 96,228. The ratio of radius to height, that means r by h is 9/14. So we'll assume to be r as 9x and h is equals to 14x. Now we know formula for volume is pi r square h, that is 96,228, pi 22 by 7, r is 9x square into 14x. This is equals to 96,228. Now 22 by 7, 9 square is 81x square into 14x. This is equals to 96,228. So when we'll solve it, so x cube is equals to what? 27. Thus x is equals to 3. Now if x is equals to 3, that means radius is equals to 9 into 3, that means 27 centimeter, and h is equals to 14 into 3, this is equals to 42 centimeter. Now what they have asked? They have asked total surface area of cylinder. So this is 2 pi r, r plus h. So 2 into 22 by 7, r is 27 and then 27 plus 42. So when we'll solve this, we'll get 11,710.3 centimeter square. So this is how, if the ratio of radius and height is given, we can calculate what is radius and height, and then we can calculate total surface area of cylinder. The question is, metal pipe has a bore inner diameter of 5 centimeter. Pipe is 5 millimeter thick. Find weight in kg of 2 meter of the pipes if 1 cubic centimeter of metal weighs 7.7 gram. Now what they have given to us is inner diameter. That means small d is given to us 5, that means small r will be 2.5, and thickness is given to us, that is 5 mm. So thickness is 5 mm. Thus if we look on to the diagram of hollow cylinder, this was the diagram for hollow cylinder. Now in this diagram we are provided with inner radius 2.5. This is thickness, that means 5 millimeter. So 5 millimeter was 0.5 centimeter. Thus external radius will be 2.5 plus 0.53 centimeter. Now they have given height of the pipe, that is 2 meter. Since यहाँ पर 1 cubic meter है, therefore we'll find what? Volume. So volume of cylinder, or we can say volume of metal pipe, that is pi into r square minus r square into h. 22 by 7. Capital R is 3 and 3 square is 9 minus small r is 2.5. So 2.5 square is 6.25 into h is 2 meter. So this is 200 centimeter. Thus we will get 22 by 7 into 9 minus 6.25 is 2.75 into 200. So on solving it, we will get 12100 by 7 centimeter square. Now 1 centimeter cube. Now 1 cubic centimeter weighs 7.7 gram. So here we have 12,100 upon 7 cubic centimeter. So this will be 7.7 into 12,100 by 7. This is in gram. We have to convert it into kilogram. This will come to be 13,310 gram. So if we divide it by 1000, we will get what? Kilogram. Thus the answer is 13.31 kg. So this is how we can find out volume of cylinder and weight of the cylinder. Now coming on to next question. Two right circular solid cylinders have radii in the ratio of 3:5. So let's suppose two right circular cylinders की radii r1 upon r2 is what? 3 by 5. Height are in the ratio of 2:3. That means h1 by h2 is 2 by 3. Now we have to calculate the ratio of their curved surface area and we have to calculate the ratio of their volume. So C1 upon C2, curved surface area of first right circular triangle will be 2 pi r1 h1 upon 2 pi r2 h2. 2 pi cancelled out. R1 upon R2 is what? 3 by 5. H1 upon H2 is what? 2 by 3. Thus curved surface areas का ratio आ गया क्या? 2:5. Now we have to calculate what? Volume. So V1 by V2 will be pi R1 square H1 upon pi R2 square H2. Pi got cancelled. R1 upon R2 over here is 3 by 5. So 3 by 5 whole square. H1 by H2 is 2 by 3. Thus we will get 9 upon 25 into 2 by 3. So the answer is 6:25. So this was in which we calculated the ratio of curved surface area and the ratio of their volumes. Now coming on to next question. Difference between outer curved surface area and inner curved surface area of hollow cylinder is 352 square centimeter. Height is given to us 28. Volume of material is also given. We have to calculate external curved surface area. देखिए जो चीज़ दी हुई है ना, we have to write it first of all. So outer curved surface area, that means difference. तो 2 pi RH minus 2 pi RH. Outer curved surface area minus inner curved surface area. This is equals to 352. So we'll take 2 pi h common. Thus we'll get 352. 2 into 22 by 7. Since h is given to us is 28. So here we'll get r minus r is equals to what? 352. So when we'll solve it, r minus r will get to be 2 centimeter. Now similarly the difference between volume is also given. V1 minus V2 is what? 704. Pi r square minus r square into h is what? 704. Thus we know a square minus b square is a minus b, a plus b into h is 28. So putting r minus r2 over here, so r plus r की value we will get to be 4. Now when we will solve it, r minus r is what, 2, and r plus r is 4. So subtracting equations, we will get minus 2r is equals to minus 2, thus r is equals to 1. Putting r is equals to 1 over here, so capital R, we will get what, 3. Now we have to find what, external curved surface area. तो external curved surface area का formula है 2 pi RH. तो 2 into 22 by 7, capital R is 3 into 28. So 7 into 4 is 28. Now when we'll multiply it, we'll get 528 centimeters square. So this is how we have studied today the concept of cylinder. We have studied formulas of cylinder, and we have also solved certain questions related to this topic. Hope you guys are finding videos helpful. So do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you.